If you're getting a new iPhone 14 Pro or iPhone 14 Pro Max, you may be slightly overwhelmed or simply interested in what new features and changes you should try out. Here are 5 awesome new things that you should know about the iPhone 14 and 14 Pro Max. Dynamic Island. On the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max is an entirely new way to interact with your iPhone. Instead of the notch at the top of the display, Apple has replaced it with a new pill-shaped area made up of 2 smaller cutouts digitally merged. The Dynamic Island brings system-wide alerts, notifications, and system-related operations to the top of the display. You'll notice Dynamic Island fluidly adapt as you use your phone, from listening to music to starting a timer and more. Here's a quick list of some of the different types of system alerts and notifications that Dynamic Island supports straight out of the box. Incoming call banner, AirPods connected alert, Face ID authentication, Apple Pay, AirDrop, low battery alert, charging, ongoing call, music, now playing apps. Promotion display. If you're upgrading from an iPhone older than the iPhone 13 Pro, as many customers likely are, you'll be experiencing promotion for the very first time on a phone. When you're scrolling in an app, you'll notice your iPhone feels faster and smoother thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate. Always on display. The display on the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max always shows the time, wallpaper, and widgets from the iOS 16 lock screen. This can be useful when you just want to glance at the time or see relevant information from your lock screen widgets without unlocking your iPhone and going directly into an app. With the new rear cameras on the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, you'll be able to take 48 megapixel photos when you use the Pro.RAW format, which is a format designed by Apple that combines the iPhone's powerful photo processing with high detail that allows for fine-tuned editing. If you're planning to take many 48 megapixel photos, be aware that those photos will take up almost 3 times the amount of storage on your device. The front selfie camera on the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max also got an upgrade. It now supports autofocus, which ensures that your photos turn out more detailed and lifelike. Improved battery life. Apple is claiming that its newer displays and the A16 Bionic chip are more power efficient than older models, yielding longer battery life. Thanks to advancements in iOS optimization, more efficient processors, and newer technologies,